Time and time again, clients ask us, how do you do it? What's MCG's secret sauce? We've been delivering authentic, joyous, and sometimes spicy design for over 40 years. Due to popular demand, we decided it was finally time to bottle it. This is a creation born from the architects of flavor. It's a symphony of flavors, a culinary masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of what hot sauce can be. Our secret sauce was crafted using innovation, precision, and a dash of the unexpected, where every ingredient is a stroke on the canvas of taste.
Shake it up.
Twist it up and shake it out. Watch me as I put it down. Push it up and turn it round. Watch me as I work it out.
Just taste, huh?
Let's add a little something to this.
Are you excited to try
Cheers.
these? Cheers.
Sweet?
Ooh, that's sweet.
A little sweet.
It's like, oh, I'm sweet and approachable. And then it's like,
Ooh, it tastes hot. Whoa!
Chipotle, yeah.
It's thoughtful.
It's got a nice kick.
Oh, yeah. Takes a little while, and then it gets you.
No.
It explores your palate.
Can we have some more? I should have been ripping it off the wing the whole time. What the fuck was I doing just digging in like
You
that?
just like get it all up in your nail.
That's how it...
I got that for you. Let me help.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, we out.